welcome to Super Serious Cooking. This week we are going to look at some corn kernels. They're rainbow, and we don't want them in this state. We want them in like an exploded state. So we're going to need some oil, some corn kernels, that measuring spoon that's slowly shaking, and a popping machine. So what we're going to do is take our measuring cup, and we want 1 tablespoon of oil. We're going to take 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So what we want to do now is we're going to put our lid on like that and put the machine on. It has little arms that move around the kernels. Okay, what we're going to do is turn the machine off, and then we'll flip it over and take the top off. There you go. Popped popcorn. Put whatever toppings you want on there. And yeah. Okay, thanks for listening to Super Serious Cooking. This week we took corn kernels and popped them with that machine. Is it any good? I don't know. I don't really eat popcorn. It's not my thing. But we made it, and without that. Catch us next week when I will probably do something else. All right. Bye-bye.